Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited about today because the market has been freaking crazy. And for the positive, shit is finally turning around, whether it be for cryptocurrency and some of the other markets. Well, we only really care about the crypto in this case, but here's the thing I'd say. Due to the current change in sentiment economically, I feel like crypto is going to continue its uprise due to what's happening. Like, bro, the past, let's just get right into the chart, right? Let's get right into this chart. I like this view. Yeah, there we go. There y'all go. So like literally it's been, I don't know, a day and a half. We're at a 20% rip for Solana, right? Solana's the one that's really kind of taking the brunt of the gains right now. And I think what's happening, and this is in the large market, I'm not talking about meme tokens here, in the larger crypto market. And the reason Solana is doing that right now, from everything that I have seen, is that people were pricing in back then the FTX collapse, basically stating that due to the FTX collapse, Solana was basically repressed from going up, and there was not much opportunity for that to happen. Well, now that the whole FTX debacle is kind of moving on, they figured out to do with Sam. Some of the people are getting some money. I didn't get any money back. Some people have been getting money back from what I've heard. So I think as that continues, some of those other tokens that missed their opportunity because of that debacle might find that light. And for example, Solana is right now. I mean, like, you guys look, in the last week, we are probably up 40% on Solana. I actually did not get in. So I'm hoping you guys did. If you did, comment below. Let me know what happened. I really care. I love the trading stories because that's where the fun is at, bro. All right. But 45% in literally 3 days. I know that's not great in a crypto market, but literally $1,000 here would be up to $1,450. 10,000 would be 14,000, right? 100,000, you'd be up $40,000 in 3 days. So it doesn't matter about your position size for these types of plays, but at the end of the day, even a 10% gain at $1 million for somebody, that was a $100,000 gain in a short amount of time for somebody. And if you think about all the markets, it's just money moving from one to another. So the smartest always gets the biggest egg. So think about it that way, right? So just keep staring, keep looking, and keep trying to check the TA and the fundamentals. I didn't find a good article that I thought was worth it that would like emphasize this, but here's the thing. I know with what's happening right now with BTC, crypto in general, it's going to be a crazy ride. And I didn't like this is the BTC chart, everybody. From the last time, look at this, you guys, right? We had this here, double top. We took our down, and then it found its support. It totally did it. Watch my last video. That was literally the play happened, and boom, it shot up. I did not get in an entry again. I missed it. I jumped out here, and I did not get back in yet. So now I'm waiting. I think I jumped out right here. Yeah, it was 34.6. So right there, did not get back in. I missed it. I was working. I didn't have a good clean entry, and I didn't have a strategy at the time. So you don't play if you don't have a strategy. So I haven't done a trade 2 days here from this, but it had another upswing, and that uptick is not crazy, 5%. But you guys think about this. Think about this shit, okay? From here to here, I know bottom to top, I don't always want to say that. It's 17 days. That's 34%. My biggest holdback is BTC. I look at BTC as my retirement. You know, most people work their ass off and try to get a fucking retirement plan. Now, I think that shit's dead. I have one, but I don't plan on that, actually. That might just buy me a nice car for fun from whatever the fuck it does. But with this shit, this has been always my goal for retirement. I've been mining and doing this for 5 years, so my bag's pretty nice. And in my bag alone, I've basically up 34%. I know it's unrealized. Some smart Alex gonna post that, oh, shit's not unreal. I know, I agree, but that's not the point. If I had that anywhere else, those unrealized gains would not have happened, right? And right now, I have a choice to take out the money and make 34% more. I have a choice right now where I could take the extra 34% out and still be with where I started. Yeah, if it goes down, I lose that, but that doesn't matter, right? Because it's my long-term hold. So it's always giving you that security. And the way I really like it is, like a retirement account, you really can't just like, bro, they fucking penalize you. The government wants to cut this. You could just sell it if that's really how you think of your retirement, right? You could sell the piece you want, bring it back. You could loan yourself money, pay it back. There's so many smart ways to do it. You just have to see what fits your best case scenario. But look at that. In just freaking 17 days, we hit that much of a rip. Let's say you missed the first run up, right? But you got into this one, literally 10 days, 4 days, 23%. Let's say you had gotten in this one, right? What? 2 days, 1 day, 18%. If you kept it, 20%. You guys, and that's not accounting for when I'm like day trading it, right? If I'm like day trading and I have nothing to do all day, and this is where I'm able to just sit and grind, because this is my favorite shit, is literally like, you guys, a lot of times you'll catch the little swing up, right? Maybe pull out there, 3%, wait, get that pullback, do it again, another 3%. That shit adds up, right? 3% gains in a day, which isn't very easy, but it does happen. That's literally 30% in 1 day. Out of $1 million account, I'm not saying that the trade should always be that much. You have to be smart about it. That's 30, there's 300 grand in 1 fucking day. Like, so just be smart about your, it is also, I hate when tubers don't say this, it is also based on like your situation, and that's okay. Like, don't be down on yourself if you're not able to trade $1 million. Don't be down on yourself if you can't trade 100 grand. Bro, when I started, it was literally $50, $100, and yeah, it sucked. I'm not saying it didn't. I'm not gonna be a tuber that says, oh yeah, it's easy, you'll get there. No, it's doable. You just have to keep going, and little by little you'll get to what you are able, your skills will get better, and then you'll get to the position that you're supposed to be. And so just keep trying and don't give up, especially in this crypto market, and make sure you have a long-term bag, that you believe in yourself. You don't need to listen to anybody else for it. It's what do you believe in the long term, right? Are you a Bitcoin believer? Do you think Bitcoin at 21 million token cap is what's going to give it that big catalyst to get to 100, 250K, 300K? Then maybe support that. If you're like, no, I like the Ethereum fact and that people can build tokens on Ethereum and the smart contract, that might be your play, right? So at the end of the day, it's like, it's all situational and what fits you best. And when you're making the decision to trade like this, but keep staring at the market right now. You don't want to miss out on what's next. I don't know if it's up or down. I have not done TA to finalize it all day. I will say, if we look at the RSI real quick, it's signifying a buy, but that's not a full TA sat down strategy. So please think about it. And everybody's situation is different for trades. But right now the market's hot. Keep watching. Do not miss it. And if you've got some good fundamental news, post that shit below. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, please. The more subscribers, the more I can convince my team to leave me alone to keep making videos, because I actually love making videos. And I like trading, right? It's my favorite. But I work a lot, and I manage a lot of people, and I want to keep helping people. And if you support, do me a favor. Just like, subscribe, share the video. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day.